Structured warrants, also known as warrants, are financial instruments that allow investors to benefit from the performance of an asset for only a fraction of its price. Warrants give investors a unique opportunity to earn profits in both bull and bear markets, without risking too much capital. Warrants derive their value from their underlying assets. They can be issued on a wide range of asset classes, usually depending on potential demand from market participants. SGX currently trades warrants issued on local and foreign equities, as well as benchmark indices such as the STI, HSI, and China A50. Warrants are issued by third-party institutions, usually banks, also referred to as issuers, and are traded in the securities market of SGX. Warrants have a finite lifespan and cease to exist on their expiry date. There are two kinds of warrants: call warrants and put warrants. A call warrant gives you the option to buy an underlying security from the issuer at a fixed strike price on a predetermined expiry date. So if the underlying security rises in value by expiration, you earn the difference between the market price of the underlying at expiry and the fixed strike price. A put warrant works in reverse, giving you the option to sell an underlying security back to the issuer at a fixed strike price on a predetermined expiry date. So if the underlying security drops in price, you earn the difference between the market price of the underlying at expiry and the fixed strike price in that case too. At expiry, the settlement of most warrants on SGX is made in cash rather than a purchase or sale of the underlying asset. When a cash-settled structured warrant is exercised or expires, the warrant holder receives a cash profit which equals the difference between the strike price and the price of the underlying security. The decision about whether to purchase a call or put warrant depends on your view of the underlying security. If you have a bullish view, go with a call warrant. If you have a bearish view, go with a put warrant. Now, there are American-style warrants and European-style. American-style warrants can be exercised anytime between its listing and expiry. European-style warrants, like the warrants on SGX, can only be exercised on the expiry date, but you don't need to take any actions to exercise them if they expire to your benefit. For a closer look at the settlement and moneyness of warrants, check out our next video, where we explore those issues in more detail.